I'm going to attempt to show you with this video angle how to put this on. You got to line up these outer clips first. This one clips behind, this one goes in, this one goes behind, this one goes in, and it's kind of difficult to line them up. When you look on the back side here, let's see, get my hand out of the way. Look on the back side here without pushing this side in, and align them kind of like this, and work your way down. And see if they'll grab. And it's kind of got to put a lot of pressure on it to get them to grab, and then start working around the outside to the top and get it all to snap in. And make sure it's tight. So, and then you kind of push it in, and there it is.